When she catches you looking at her, do you quickly look away? If you do, you just failed the most basic biological test of masculinity. Looking away signals fear. It tells her you are intimidated by her beauty. Today, we are turning your eyes into a weapon. I am giving you the 3 physical eye contact hacks that bypass her logical brain and instantly create raw sexual tension. Do not use hack number 3 unless you are ready to escalate things physically tonight. Number 1. The delayed break. Normal people break eye contact every 3 to 4 seconds during a conversation, so things don't get awkward. You are going to intentionally make it tension-filled. When you are talking to her, hold your eye contact for 2 seconds longer than what feels comfortable. Let the silence sit there. And when you finally do break eye contact, do not look down. Looking down is submissive. Look slowly to the side, as if you are simply distracted by something else. Then slowly bring your eyes back to hers. This sticky eye contact projects immense confidence and makes her heart race. Number 2, the visual penetration. Most men look at a woman's eyes. A high-value man looks through them. Instead of focusing on the surface of her eyes, imagine you are trying to read the back of her skull. Relax your facial muscles. Do not widen your eyes like a deer in headlights. Keep your eyelids slightly heavy and relaxed. This is the gaze of a predator looking at a prize, not a prey looking for an escape. When a woman feels this type of deep, unwavering visual penetration, her body responds biologically. She will start fidgeting, playing with her hair, or her breathing will change. Number 3, the targeted scan. This is how you escalate from a friendly conversation to pure physical desire without saying a word. While she is speaking, keep your eyes locked on hers. Then, intentionally and slowly, drop your gaze down to her lips for 2 seconds. Let her see you looking at her mouth. Then, drop your gaze down to her bare neck or collarbone for another second. Finally, bring your eyes slowly back up to hers and smirk. You are visually undressing her. You are letting her know exactly what you are thinking, forcing her brain to imagine physical contact. Eye contact is the match that starts the fire. If you can't hold her gaze, you can't hold her body. Be honest, do you usually look away first when a beautiful woman makes eye contact with you? Type yes or no in the comments right now. Master the physical game. Subscribe to Love Consultant, and I will see you in the next video.